Good morning, 2WR friends. Happy Wednesday, May 6th. Here's your virtual learning assignment for today. We're going to start off with the 9 a.m. Zoom meeting with Miss Simpson for our PE class, and then we'll stay together for a little bit longer and we can have a whole class meeting together and make sure that you're all set for the rest of the week. Since today is Wednesday, there's no school on Thursday or Friday, so this is your last school day of the week. For reading, readers reread and try different character voices and moods that fit the story. So you are going to continue practicing reading fluently, but when you read fluently, you want to pretend like you are that character in that story. And that helps you have a better connection, a better understanding of what you're reading when you are reading. And it just makes it more fun, right? It makes it more fun to pretend like you are the character in that story. And some of you were already doing that yesterday when you were reading, and it sounded really great. So you're going to talk like the characters, make your voice match the mood. Okay, so if it's like a kind of a dark or scary or right, so watch the video from Miss Retman and she'll explain this a little bit more. What I want you to do, number 2 here, it says choose a book online or an online story that is not the Paper Bag Princess. Do not read this book, okay? Because Miss Retman's already kind of showing you how to do it. So she wants you to do a different book than this one. Choose a just right fiction book, okay? Because we're reading fiction, so that there's going to be a little bit different. There's going to be more of a mood, right? If it's a nonfiction book, it's really just teaching you about that nonfiction topic, and you kind of have a nonfiction voice the whole time. You have a teaching voice the whole time. There's really not a mood or characters in a nonfiction book, right? In a fiction story, there's characters, there's mood, there's feelings, right? All that other stuff in a fiction book. So you're picking a just right fiction book at your reading level. Practice it a couple times, then record your voice reading the book. Some of you are just taking, and we want to see what you're reading. Some of you are just taking like the front cover, right, of your book, and then you're reading. But we want to see the words that you're reading. So you want to take a screenshot of that page that you're going to be reading. All right. So now with writing, you made your list, okay? And what you are going to do here is listen to the video. So from Mr. Alex, and it says here, number 1, choose an audience, okay? Pick topic and brainstorm, sort it, and write. So here are some of the top 10 snacks that I think Miss Yuka likes to bake. And it says here, and maybe remember that hook in that lead is starting with a fun fact. It says, many teachers around the world are teaching at home. I wrote this list to give you some ideas of how tech might help. Enjoy. Okay, so, and we'll kind of talk a little bit more about this writing assignment today at 9 o'clock when we meet. Okay, your specials today are art, continuing with art, making your 3D art project, and then you have the PE activity. I did send this out to moms and dads so you can continue working on this and these activities over the weekend. I wanted to make sure that some of you started it, but you didn't really all finish it, and I didn't get to announce it for you yesterday. But we had a counseling lesson with Ms. Wright. She did attach a video to you in your activities on Seesaw, so please make sure you're going to your activities to find your assignments, okay? You're going to your activities to find your assignments. You need to do those activities from your assignments, okay? And then I've included this on the PDF of the top 5 choices of your classmates. So I included 4 more guesses for you. So who do you think wrote down their top 5 things here? Whose top 5 things are these? who likes to do these top 5 things, and then who likes to do these top 5 things. Okay, so just a fun little activity. We can, I don't want to reveal it yet, so I want you to try to take a screenshot of it and make your guesses and then post them on Seesaw. Okay. By the end of today, I will write in the names of who those people were, and then I'll post that onto your journals, and you guys can check. Okay, who those were. All right, we are going to be voting for Her Fearless Run, and It's Not Hansel and Gretel. Okay, going to go to the quarterfinals. So we'll be voting on that today. Okay, make sure if you want to listen to the stories, they are there. And here are your extra links. Okay, so have a wonderful morning, everybody, and I'll see you at 9 o'clock at our Zoom meeting, right? So this is the link to go to your Zoom meeting. If you just clicked that, it would take you to your Zoom meeting link, okay? So you should be able to do this on your own. You shouldn't really even need mom and dad to help you. Remember, if you went to our page, remember, here's today's assignments. If I clicked on View Original, then these are the links. Okay, these are the links, and so then you just click on the PE Zoom meeting, and this will take you to our meeting today. Right? So you really don't need mom or dad's help. A lot of these things you can do on your own. Okay, so if I went straight to my meeting, and there you go. So it's already connecting to the meeting, which I'm already in. Oh my gosh. So let's see if this works. Whoa! That's super crazy. All right. So I'm going to end my meeting. Goodbye, Mr. Egan. See you later. That was pretty funny. Okay. And so that's it for today. And so I hope everybody has a wonderful Wednesday. Okay. See you at 9 a.m. Bye-bye.